कंटेंट राइटिंग में आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ राइटिंग के अलावा आपका राइटिंग स्टाइल का एक्यूरेट होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज एज अ राइटर योर क्लाइंट्स आर गोइंग टू पे यू टू राइट कंटेंट दैट विल रीच अ वाइड ऑडियंस एंड दिस कंटेंट नीड्स टू बी समथिंग जो रीडर्स को एक अच्छा रीडिंग एक्सपीरियंस दे एंड ये तभी आप अचीव कर सकते हैं जब आपका राइटिंग स्टाइल बेसिकली जिस टोन में आप आर्टिकल लिखेंगे वो ऐसा हो कि your readers can really appreciate your writing and feel like you gave them something of value. So, the tone of your writing is something that you definitely should not ignore because this is what will make or break your engagement and it is what will define your prowess as a writer and it will also define कि आप readers को कितना engaged रख सकते हैं कितना interested रख सकते हैं and as a writer this should be your aim कि आपके content पे high audience engagement हो. So for those of you who are new to this field, it's more important कि आप properly understand करें कि writing style आप कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं and इसकी practice भी आपको करनी चाहिए बहुत ज़्यादा. This is very important and in order to gauge the level of your own writing style, आप अपने काम को read करें, reread it and see कि आपकी अपनी attention as a reader कहाँ कहाँ जाती है and do you yourself feel like your content can hold your interest. आपको खुद ही अंदाज़ा हो जाएगा कि कौन से पार्ट्स इंटरेस्टिंग हैं या कौन से नहीं हैं सो यू कैन देन ट्वीक योर आर्टिकल अकॉर्डिंगली. इसके अलावा भी यू कैन ऑल्सो रीड योर कॉन्टेंट अलाउड टू समवन एल्स बिकॉज स्पेशली इन द बिगिनिंग जब आप एज अ कॉन्टेंट राइटर स्टार्ट करेंगे तो यू शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गेट द ओपिनियन ऑफ अदर पीपल ऑन योर वर्क सो दैट you can use their feedback from a reader's perspective and improve your own writing style with it. प्लस आप जब अपना कंटेंट पढ़ रहे होंगे ऊंची टू समवन एल्स यू विल ऑल्सो बी एबल टू हियर इट योर सेल्फ एंड यू विल बी एबल टू कैच द पार्ट्स जो शायद थोड़े अजीब लग रहे हों और मे बी दे डोंट फील नेचुरल इन द आर्टिकल दे डोंट गो विद द फ्लो ऑफ द कंटेंट और मे बी दे आर बीइंग रिपीटेड और दे डोंट ऐड एनी फर्दर वैल्यू टू द रीडर. तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी यू विल बी एबल टू रियलाइज एंड यू विल बी एबल टू डिटेक्ट दैम योर सेल्फ व्हेन यू हेयर द आर्टिकल. बट इसके अलावा देर आर 7 पॉइंट्स फॉर इम्प्रूविंग योर राइटिंग स्टाइल that you should make sure of while writing your content. So the first one is to use your own voice. अब कुछ writers होते हैं they tend to always stick to sentences or terms that they've read before and वो उसी पे रहते हैं and they have a fear of bringing their own voice into their work. लेकिन the truth is कि आपका अपना voice जब आप use करेंगे that is your USP, your unique selling point as a writer. And when I say using your own voice, I don't mean talking in first person. I don't mean saying, I believe this or this is what I think. Using your own voice means bringing your own tone of talking into the article. And इसके अलावा भी I would suggest कि आप instead of trying to copy the style of another writer, try to bring your own unique voice into the article because ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू डिसाइड कि आपने अपने ऑडियंस के साथ किस टोन में बात करनी है बिकॉज ओनली यू विल नो कि आपकी टारगेट ऑडियंस कौन है और किस तरह की है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप पेरेंटिंग नीश में लिख रहे हैं तो आपकी टारगेट ऑडियंस में मोस्टली मदर्स आएंगी, पेरेंट्स होंगे, फर्स्ट टाइम पेरेंट्स होंगे विच विल नीड अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्प. सो यू विल मोस्टली बी अडॉप्टिंग अ वेरी soft but also helpful tone because your aim should be to guide these parents. On the other hand, अगर आप for example tech reviews कर रहे हो so you might want to use a quick and upbeat tone of writing because your target audience will be mainly young people who are looking for the latest cutting edge gadgets to use. But these are just examples. At the end of the day एक article का tone आप तभी decide कर सकेंगे जब आपको पता होगा कि readers कौन है. And the more you're able to relate with them and make them feel like you're talking to them on the same frequency as them, so they'll like your writing more, they'll be able to connect with you more, and they're more likely to read your content and keep coming back to it. So the second point is while writing your articles don't stray off the topic. अगर किसी article में आपका heading कुछ promise कर रहा हो और आपके content में आप बार बार distract हो रहे हो, कुछ और ही information आपने डाल दी हो or you start talking about other things that aren't even relevant to the topic, then your readers won't like your content and it will also make you sound unprofessional and you will come off as someone who doesn't know the topic properly. तो ऐसे issues से clients को भी मसला आ सकता है and you definitely don't want that. So remember to always add information in your article that is relevant and जो आपका topic है उसी से related information दें. So फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ देयर इज़ अ टॉपिक बेस्ट वेज टू ट्रेन अ जर्मन शेपर्ड, तो उसमें आप जर्मन शेपर्ड द डॉग ब्रीड इसकी हिस्ट्री या उसके हेल्थ इश्यूज इस तरह की बात नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज द टॉपिक इज बेस्ट वेज टू ट्रेन अ जर्मन शेपर्ड. सो यू विल वांट टू स्ट्रिक्टली stick to the methods of training, because that is what your topic says and that is what your audience has come to read in your article. So always stick to the topic and don't try to use filler sentences just to meet the word count, because remember, in content it's always quality over quantity. Thirdly, there should be no repetition in your articles. When readers read your work, they shouldn't get bored, and the way to cut the monotony, to cut the boredom, is to keep on introducing new ideas, but ideas that still relate to one another. So basically, what you're following here is a value added approach, जिसमें आप ओवरऑल आर्टिकल में वैल्यू ऐड करते रहते हैं बाय कीपिंग ऑन एडिंग न्यू टॉकिंग पॉइंट्स रिलेटेड टू योर टॉपिक, ताकि आपके रीडर्स एंगेज भी रहें, दे डोंट फील लाइक योर कंटेंट इज repeating the same thing over and over again, and they also feel like you're giving them valuable content to read. So this is how आप boredom को remove कर सकते हैं, अपने article में से monotony को remove करते हैं by making sure कि आप एक ही point बार बार repeat नहीं कर रहे. Another way to ensure that you're writing a good and a comprehensive and a complete piece of content is by focusing on the details. So when you're writing, आपने किसी टॉपिक को सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से नहीं डिस्कस करना. If you truly want to provide value to your audience, which should be your aim while you're writing, then it's always a good idea to take them on a journey where you are covering all the helpful aspects of the topic. And इस तरह से when you go into the details of a certain topic, तो इसका एक और भी फ़ायदा होता है, which is के you might even end up giving your audience some new information जो शायद उन्हें और कहीं ना मिली हो, because maybe other writers in other articles didn't care enough to go into as much detail as you're going into. लेकिन अगर आपने किसी चीज़ की डिटेल में बात की हो और अपनी ऑडियंस को कुछ ऐसी बात बताई हो जो उन्होंने पहले कभी किसी और आर्टिकल में नहीं पढ़ी हुई, तो दे आर मोर लाइकली टू अप्रिशिएट योर कंटेंट. दे विल डेफिनेटली अप्रिशिएट योर कंटेंट फॉर गिविंग देम सम न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन, एंड दे विल बी एबल टू कनेक्ट विथ यू मोर. You should also always try to maintain neutrality in your articles. अब इसका ये मतलब है कि definitely as a writer and as an individual आपके अपने opinions होंगे, and a lot of them might be leaning towards one particular side of an argument. But remember, as a writer, you are not writing for yourself, you are writing for your audience. And if in your article you sound like you're strongly biased towards one particular side, तो इट माइट सिग्निफिकेंटली इम्पैक्ट योर रीडर एंगेजमेंट, क्योंकि जो लोग आपसे अग्री नहीं करते आपकी ऑडियंस में, वो शायद कंटेंट को अप्रिशिएट ना करें, एंड जिन लोगों को वैसे ही फील हो कि आप बायस्ड हैं, दे माइट फाइंड इट ऑफ पुटिंग and they might feel like you're writing the article with another hidden agenda, or to change their mindset. So they might feel sort of at risk कि आप शायद ये आर्टिकल उन्हें हेल्प करने के बजाय किसी और एजेंडा से लिख रहे हैं, which is to change their way of thinking. So they'll वैसे ही get turned off by your article and they're more likely to stop reading. So you should always focus on sounding genuine in terms of helping your audience to make their informed decision. Remember, this is key. Helping your audience make an informed decision. This is a very important term, and it is also a very useful tip to use when writing content. So even if you're trying to build a narrative or you want to convince your audience on a particular idea, तो instead of trying to outwardly show them कि अच्छा इस चीज़ के अलावा तो कोई और ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, you don't have to restrict their choices, you don't have to make them feel like the option that you're giving them, or जो बात आप कर रहे हैं वही सही है. What you can do instead is to focus on helping them make informed decisions. Let your audience make their decisions on their own by providing them relevant information. अगर आप इस एम से कंटेंट लिखेंगे that you want to give your readers all of the facts and unbiased information so that they can make an informed decision using all of the knowledge you give them, then this is something that will boost your credibility as a writer, and this is something that will make them trust on you more. They will rely on your content more. They will know कि अच्छा this is a source of good reliable information where I can come to, ताकि if I want to make an informed decision about something, तो I will have all of my information that I need to make that decision. So this is what will help you improve your audience engagement and readership. Now the sixth point is particularly for beginner writers. आप जब writing शुरू करेंगे तो you'll often want to put down all the words that come in your mind on paper, and doing this is great while you're in the creative process of ideating your article. जब आप ideation वाले step पे होते हैं तब it's perfect if you put down as many thoughts, as many points on paper as you can, because that will help you build your article outline. But when you write your article itself, so you should be prepared to delete all of the unnecessary information that you may have ended up adding here, because you only need to add things in your content that are relevant. आपने बिल्कुल भी इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करनी, एंड इफ़ यू फील लाइक ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जिससे आपके कंटेंट का फ्लो टूट रहा हो तो डोंट बी अफ्रेड टू डिलीट दैट. Use that delete button. The more you do, the more clean and polished your article will look, and the better will be the final draft of your article. तो ये चीज़ आप तभी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे when you read and reread your work, and you keep going over it again and again, and even get it read by someone else to see how other people view the article and what things you can tweak or remove from it. So the final thing that you can do, and this is the most helpful one, and इसके बारे में पहले भी हम बात कर चुके हैं, that is to be solution oriented. So what do you always want to do with your readers? You want to help your readers. This is how you will be giving value to them, and you will be helping them to understand things, to understand new topics, to learn to use a particular product or service, or maybe learn about a new topic, or even help them make informed decisions about something, or help them achieve a certain emotion from your content if you're writing entertainment content. So your approach should always be solution oriented and value based, because your readers will only connect with you if they like your content, and अगर उन्हें आपका content easy to digest लगे, easy to read लगे, and if they feel like your content is making their life easier and not giving them any inconveniences. Your content should always add to their life, not take something away from it, and it should always make them feel better. And as a writer भी, when you come off as someone who genuinely wants to help your audience, जब आपकी audience को आपका इस तरह का impression पड़े कि आप एक अच्छी authority source है that truly wants to help the audience, तभी आपके readers आपको trust करेंगे and आपके content को पढ़ना पसंद करेंगे, and they'll start coming to the website more, which is in turn good for the client whose website you're writing for, or if it's your own website, then that's good for that. And we'll talk more about adding value to your readers in the next lesson by looking at the do's and don'ts of content writing.